welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get unready with me video using the One Size Go Off makeup remover spray and wipes. Patrick Starr came out with his own brand, and obviously I had to get it because I'm such a huge fan, but I also wanted to, just try it out and whatnot. So why not a perfect way than with all of this makeup on? This is so much body paint, so we're gonna put this stuff to the test and see how really good it is. So if you guys are interested in this video, please make sure you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. But as always, make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't already subscribed. Give this video a huge thumbs up and turn on post notifications. Is the bell right there. I don't know if it's this side or this side, but it's literally right next to the subscribe button. And yeah, let's stop talking and let's get all this stuff off. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I have a lot of body paint on me, on my face. It's literally cream concealer and body paint and some shadow. Like, I have everything on. So I'm going to be taking all of this off before I go ahead and get in the shower. So Patrick Starr just came out with his brand called One Size, and as you guys know, his motto is makeup is a one size fits all. So I thought it was super cool for him to come out with something named One Size, and he is like one of my all-time favorite YouTubers, so I had to definitely support. So I've seen him use in his video where he sprays everything down first and then he'll take a makeup wipe and then, like, clean everything off. So that's what I'm gonna do. It says to spray 8 to 10 inches away from the face until it is evenly coated, massage into skin and gently wipe off. And it's a cruelty-free and vegan. It says to remove full beat face of makeup, pair with Go Off juiciest makeup remover wipes, which is these guys right here. And let me see. This is a continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact, infused with calming jojoba and brightening rosehip oils. Ooh, nice. Makeup is removed without leaving skin feeling tight or dry. We will try that because I actually have dry combination skin, so I actually don't use makeup wipes because of that reason. And it is a water-free formula that creates a no drip super slick surface for the ultimate makeup removal. Alright, so I have my lashes on and everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and, I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, but I'm just gonna shake it anyway. And okay, so I don't know, do I look shiny to you guys? Do I look, oh yeah, look at my chest. So I can definitely tell I have a whole bunch on my chest, but I don't feel like I have anything on my face. Like, I really don't. Like, okay, now I feel like I have. Well, I can tell I have on my face. I'm just gonna like move these lashes. Okay, definitely my lashes came off 2.5 seconds. No problem. And then it says massage into the skin. Oh, I hope you guys don't see, like, but it's definitely a continuous mist. So it actually reminds me of the Morphe setting spray, the setting mist. Oh, you guys, look at this. Oh, I definitely put a lot over here because I look crazy. This is literally thumbnail. Hold up, pause, thumbnail. Okay, so then it says to go, like, to remove a full face. Now I didn't do my arms yet. I'll do my arms probably with just the wipes. So it has like this nice big flap here, and the adhesive is really good. I hate like when I get makeup wipes and then they're like that sticker tab is like super thin and it doesn't like really stick. Okay. Yo, look how big this is. It literally covers my face. Like, what? This is huge. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup. Let's rub this off. Let's see. So I usually go through about maybe 3 wipes. So we're gonna see how many I go through. And I can definitely say like it's not harsh on the skin. The wipes feel like it has like a lotion. So let me read what it has. Okay, it says because size matters, our giant super saturated wipes remove even the most stubborn makeup with one juicy wipe. For the ultimate makeup removal experience, pair with Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist, which I did, and follow with daily face cleanser, obviously. If you're someone that uses makeup wipes and you literally just like wipe it with just makeup, with the makeup remover, and that's it, shame on you. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out why like it feels like it has like a lotion or something. So let me see. Ingredients says, okay, so it has glycerin, it has coconut, it has aloe. So it has some really good stuff that's, you know, stuff that's really good for the skin. So that's a good thing. So you guys, as you can see, I'm just trying to make sure I use as much of the wipe as possible. I still have some makeup on my eyes, not that much, but you know, I still have some. So I'm gonna move on to another wipe just because as I am like continuously removing the makeup, I am also still adding more makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab another wipe. The packaging reminds me of like a baby wipe packaging. So I'm just like removing from my hands because I have tons of paint on my hands. So I think it definitely works better paired with the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. Like the stuff came off a lot easier. Compared to just like, you know, with just this alone. Okay, you guys, so this is the second wipe. As you guys can see, I can still use it. I have a lot more to go compared to the first wipe. So this is the first wipe, and as you see, it definitely took off a lot of makeup. So I really like these, and my skin does not feel irritated. It definitely feels hydrating. Like just touching it, it just feels super hydrated, like if I put moisturizer on. So I do like that because that means that it's not like overly drying my face. So that is pretty good, and it kind of has like a glow to it, as you guys can see here. So I actually really like these. Definitely say using them together is a lot better, just because when I was taking the body paint off of my arms with just the makeup wipes, as you can see, I kind of still have a little bit more, but it was a lot tougher. Like I felt like I have to really kind of scrub, whereas if you use the mist first, it just kind of glides off better, and then, you know, like rub it in, like, you know, rubbing in the spray first and then actually wiping it off with the wipe. So I really do like it. Yeah, I'm actually really happy with this. I'm happy with my purchase. I spent good money on these two items, and I will definitely continue to use them. So that is pretty much it for getting unready with me. I am now going to go ahead and take a shower, and then just relax for the night and edit this video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this get unready with me video featuring one size go off mist and makeup wipes. If you guys enjoyed this little getting ready with me / review, please make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe. One more time, I'll say it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, and make sure you guys are following me on all of my other social media platforms. I have Instagram and Twitter and TikTok. So yeah, go ahead and check me out there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.